Dead bird.
Her and Shelby both.
Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird.
Glad.
Good. Good. Very good reaction. She's licking, but she's not trying to bite it. That's perfect. With the dead bird. Okay. She's gonna need a collar. Good girl. Dead bird. Here. Heel. Sit. Mark it. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Missy. Fetch it up. Go fetch. Go fetch. Fetch it up. Get it, baby. Get it. Get it, Missy. Get dead bird. Go get it. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Bring it to mommy. Good. Mark it. Missy. Here, Missy. Here, Missy. Fetch it up. Go fetch it. Oh, good girl. Okay. Well, at least she's not grabbing it and going wild. Okay? Alright. Okay. Missy, get it. Go get it, Missy. Go get it, Missy. Get it, Missy. Come in here. Good job, be quiet. Here,
Oh,
girl.
way to go, Missy. Stick your butt in the camera. Had to cock the gun. Come heel. She's already trembling. She knows. All right, sit. Ready. Mark it. Up. Miss. Oh, good Lord. Calm down, Missy. Good.
Trying to be a dolphin.
Doing the butterfly stroke there. It's like trying to run through the water instead of swimming. Here, baby. Good girl. Here, Missy. Good.
I'm checking the other day. She also had down the breaststroke. Butterfly stroke.
Missy.
Yeah.
You cannot run in the water. You must swim.
Got it on video both times.
Working for her.
Yeah.
It's getting there slower though.
Faster, but it's not. Good girl.
I don't know. She got there pretty fast.
Yeah, I got sand in my mouth. I put my duck call in the dark. Oh, good Lord. Here, Missy. She got the head. Feet. Here, baby. Good girl. Here. Good, Missy. Good. Dead bird.